Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Vanessa here speaking, and today I'm going to show to you some buff items that you can use for the dungeons. Now click the fair, and there you can find a grocery store which sells these items for silver coins. And these items have buffs, but basically I'm choosing the one that boosts my luck, so that I may have a chance to gain something that is rare. And by the way, shout out to GODZ for actually sharing this to me before we head towards the dungeon. Okay, because of you I was able to learn something new in the game. You can also make these items at your castle's kitchen, but make sure to upgrade your kitchen so that you may gain some access towards those items that has higher buffs compared to those that are in the grocery store. Now let's test if ever this buff really works. In order for you to use the item, access your bag first and then click the item and click use. Now let's see if the buff will work. Yes, it worked! Shout out to Champs. I do appreciate that you watch my channel, and by the way guys, thank you for watching and sending you all peace, love and